think this thing is awesome. That thing went up no problem. I just put a couple little clamps or a couple brackets on that back right there and keep those ramps from sliding. This thing is golden. So having a tilt trailer like this is the key. So it went on a lot easier than I expected, actually. So okay guys, I changed my mind. I'm not liking this too much. There's just not enough metal there for 11,000 pound dozer. So it would probably work, but I don't know. I'm just thinking that this metal right here is just too thin. This right here is too thin, and then if the dozer pushes too hard down, or whatever tractor I'm carrying, it'll just bend that. So I think I'm gonna reinforce this and change this. Hey, honey. One more.
Why?
Make it for this morning.
Why, you're spending the day with your other woman?
I am not spending any time with my other woman. What are you talking about?
All day long. You wake up, you think about her. During the day, you think about her.
I can't help dream.
At night, you think about her.
This is going to be our life.
I'm gonna have another life with another woman.
Well,
That's the life. 2020.
Hey, where are you going?
Why inside?
Why?
I just got home from work.
So? Come spend time with me and my other girl, the old lady.
Yeah, let's have a... No, let's not.
That's the standing joke now, is that I'm spending too much time with the old girl out here. I've had some time off from work, which has been fantastic. Getting this bad boy, getting this old girl ready for Idaho. That's coming up, so stay tuned. Anyway, let's get back to these ramps. All right, so this is what I'm thinking. I'll add a piece of this on here. You can see how far down that goes in there, and this is heavier duty, so I think that's the ticket right there. Okay, Harbor Freight cutoff saw. Here's my review. Of all of the stuff that I've ever bought at Harbor Freight, that is the only tool I've ever bought that has actually lasted a number of years and has done really well, is my cutoff saw. It's just a cutoff saw. So there you go, there's my Harbor Freight review, guys. If you guys saw the video where I went and picked up this dozer, you saw the ramps that I had on here. I didn't have much time to prepare these ramps and to try it out before I went and picked it up. And we almost had a little mishap as that dozer spit those ramps out. There was no way to actually attach them to this trailer. I hadn't had a chance to work on the trailer. So I cut those pieces of angle iron, and they're 4 inches as opposed to the 3 inches, and cut them to the size, put them up in place, marked them, and then welded those suckers. And so now we're going to try them out. I'm going to check these things out. So here we go. So I've got these all welded on top and bottom, and we'll see what these do now. So now I have this angle down here that's going to keep it from moving, sliding up and down, and I got the weight resting on the actual trailer itself, and I have a little bit of weight on the actual tailgate. So we got the weight spread out across these 3 points. That should be good. It's so much fun driving this dozer. I love it. It's a little sketchy getting off the trailer, but I'm getting used to it. Those ramps are working out pretty good, but I think I need to reinforce them. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Yeah. I need to fix that cracking right there. A little bit thin. I'm going to put a piece of metal on here. I'm going to weld those suckers up. That one's holding up just fine. Alan's doing a little reinforcing on the...
Hey guys.
Little reinforcing on the ramps here. I'm going to add some metal to that just to make sure they're extra strong. Alright. Oh, that's a 180 weld pack. That's a better one than mine.
Yeah, this is my first time using it. Got a great deal.
I'm glad you could break it in on my dozer.
That's right. We gotta make it a heavy duty stuff here, right? Bird metal.
That's what friends are for, to work on your stuff for you. All right, here we go. So there you go, guys. We got our ramps right there, and I should be able to get that bad boy up there, no problem. Shouldn't have any issues with the ramp slide anymore. So guys, there's the ramps for the dozer and the modification of the trailer. Thanks for coming. So see you guys in the next video.